Okay, today on our cooking show, we're going to make scrambled eggs. So, did you wash your hands? Wash your hands before you do this. If you are a kid making this right now, make sure you have an adult in this room. I have my amazing mother, the one who runs our Sunday project. She waved to you. If you are an adult watching this, make sure you have a kid in this room. I have headphones on because I am currently in a Zoom meeting where I am learning how to make these. So, I fail horribly, or I may or may not. Before we start this tutorial, I would like to share that sliced grapes catch fire in a microwave. But if you have long hair, put it back. You don't want it to catch fire on the stove. Okay, so first, crack the eggs and put them in the bowl.
Once you start, got it? One.
You have to chuck the egg.
So do we have to heat the pan or not yet?
Wait, chuck it. Record. Are you recording?
It's recording.
Chuck your eggshells, but after you touch raw ingredients, always wash your hands. There's a little shell in there.
No, that's not a shell.
Oh.
Here, you
Fish out any shells that you have.
use the fork.
Stir. No, but there's a whisk.
You can use fork.
Turn it on. Turn on. No,
It's on.
just whisk. There's a little red thing.
That's fine.
So, you're also going to have to take the towel, put your tools. Now we set the rear or front.
Here.
So now we set it to medium heat.
We have to light it. Medium. Put the pan in the middle.
Medium heat, please.
Uh-huh.
Is on medium heat.
Yep.
Now that's on medium heat. Now we set butter. And put a little bit of butter. And a knife. We're going to take a little bit of butter, put it on the pan. We use a silicone spatula. In this, we are going to, now we add a little bit of milk in. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Just a little bit of milk. But I used 3 eggs, so let's put some more. We add a little bit of pepper. If you don't like pepper, that's fine. These are all optional. And we shred up a little bit of cheese. Get some help from an adult if you need it. Done? Now we stir it up. God, this is a lot of cheese. God, this is a lot of cheese. Don't let them come over here or take any of the ingredients. So they do not want to eat the ingredients. This is raw, it'll make them sick. Need to do anything, go away. Now that your butter's melted, go ahead and pour your eggs in. Now we take a spatula. As soon as it starts to bubble, right, you have to move it around. Use your spatula to move around the eggs as they cook. It's going to take a few minutes. Am I doing it right? Of course I am. Is it cooked yet? Maybe.
That's, yeah, that's a
What?
little bit. That's a little bit raw. See that?
So just flip it.
Doesn't need to be flipped. But yeah, I think that's cooked.
It's cooked. You're going to want to use a bit more force and get it to scramble. You're going to want it let it cook all the way, so you're going to have to make a little motion with your, and you're still going to have to move them around, but if they're runny, you can flip them a little bit to try and cook the runny parts to get them a bit more cooked.
I would turn off the heat. What did they say? I
What?
would turn off the heat.
Turn off?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? Why?
Yeah, because it's cooked. We don't want to overcook.
You don't want it to overcook, so you turn off the heat. Keep going. Is it done?
Mm-hmm.
It's done?
I
Yeah.
think so.
So now when it looks like this, you'll know it's done, or when the edges start to brown. So now we scoop it off. You scoop the eggs into the plate like this. Something's
You can just dump it in there. You want to lift the pan? Try it.
what?
That's good. Yeah. Now try it.
Your eggs may be still hot, so you can sprinkle a little bit of cheese onto them if you want. And you're done. This makes a wonderful breakfast for your parents and you, unless you don't like eggs. You don't have to put milk in it. Even your pets will want some. I will be
try
serving
it.
this to my mother, but first I'll have to try it. It will taste very good. Welcome to our cooking.
This is your Doki Doki Literature Club.
Welcome to.
But before you're in the horror part.
What?
Say it like it's you're in Doki Doki Takeover, but before you're in the horror part.
Welcome to our cooking show. I feel like an idiot. Well, you're still recording.
What you looking for?
Shredded cheese.
We shred our own cheese. We don't use shredded cheese.
Can you wash that? Fine, I'll just use the hand shredder, I guess. I'm not gonna use the cheese.
And how is that scrambled egg if you don't use the cheese? Excuse me. Here, you have here, this cheese. No. No, you can use that. This in that thing. That is still cheese, so. Actually, yeah, you are supposed to. Here, give me here, shred it in the bowl. Or something. You?
Yes! I'll go do it right now. There. Wash your hands. I am talking to you. Okay? And don't lick your lips. You're not getting any.